concept of continuum. So concept of continuum in case of fluid mechanics, we are using this concept in case of my fluid mechanics, and we are assuming that my fluid is treated as a continuous medium, ignoring the discrete molecular nature. Okay, so so we are assuming, suppose I'll give you a simple example. Suppose in case of liquid, the liquid is flowing in this tube, and we are assuming that the liquid particles are distributed in everywhere. It means that there is no gap in between the molecules, and my liquid is treated as a continuous medium. Okay, so ignoring the discrete molecule natures. Okay, so basically the in case of molecules there is a gap, so we are assuming that there is no gap in between the liquid molecules, and the key features of the concept of continuum is my first one is my continuous distribution. Second one is my control volume, and last one is my applicability. Okay, so what is my continuous distribution? So we are assuming like my properties, different properties like density, velocity, and temperature are assumed to vary smoothly and my continuously. And the analysis is based on the macroscopic approach. Okay, so I already told you there are two approaches we are following. That is my microscopic, and second one is my macroscopic. So micro means small and macro means large. Okay, so what is my micro and macro? Suppose I have a consider a one class, and we tracking basically a one student marks in mathematics. So basically this is called my microscopic approach. Okay, suppose we are taking the whole class and find out the average marks of the each and every student in mathematics. Okay, so basically this is my macroscopic approach. Okay, so if we are talking about at the molecule level, so we are talking about the microscopic level. If we are talking about the overall level, overall point of view, so we are talking about at the macro level. Okay, so in case of concept of continuum, we basically focus or analyze our focus on the macroscopic properties in our defined control volume. Okay, applicability means, as we know, the free mean path of the molecules is much smaller than the characteristic length of the system. Okay, so it is valid in between the free mean path. Okay,